Be life itself. Be breathing. Find yourself in a comfortable and easy position and begin to relax around your heart. This breath is focused around the chest, heart, and lungs. We'll be inhaling to the count of 3, expanding and nurturing in our heart. We'll be holding the breath for 6 counts, experiencing the fullness of our heart. And then we'll be exhaling to the count of 3, deepening, relaxing, and resting in the heart. So we'll be inhaling 3, hold the breath 6, and exhale 3, all with the focus at the heart, chest, and lungs. Begin by exhaling all the breath out of the body, and then inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold the breath full, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhale, release, 3, 2, 1, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 3, 2, 1, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 3, 2, 1. Last time, in 1, 2, 3, hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exhaling 3, 2, 1. Breathing natural, and continue to focus at your chest, your lungs, and your heart. And now go deep inside your heart and feel a deep rest, a deep ease. And be with the light, the glow, that hum in your own heart. Simply be. Be meditation. Moving into a comfortable, easy position. Taking a few breaths to let go and relax your body fully. And in the most simple way, just notice your breathing, breath awareness, that natural flow in, natural flow out. And really step away from doing inside your breath, inside your body, and just observe breathing, observe being. And begin to notice heat or energy behind the breath. A heat or an energy that moves the breath, that holds the breath. Now listen to the sound of the breath, the subtle, perhaps audible sounds of the breath. And also the inner sounds, vibrations, hum. Now listen to the soundless sound of the breath. The soundless sound of the breath. Just moving in to listen to life force. Listening to the nature of being. Doing nothing. Becoming nothing. Just be here, right now.